Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very interesting recipe which is sweet and sour chicken stir fry. Here I have 500 grams of chicken breast that are cut into cubes and rinsed out. To this I'm going to add in my garlic, which is 3 cloves of garlic that's ground finely, and a little bit of fresh thyme, and thereafter a grain of black pepper, and a splash of soy sauce. I'll give this a good mix and allow it to stand for an hour. Here's my ingredients for my sweet and sour sauce. I have half a cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and 1/3 cup of water. I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a splash of lemon juice, quarter teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. Now I'm ready to make my sauce. I have my heat on moderate and I have a little pot that I'm going to cook out my sauce. Firstly, to my pot, I'm going to add in my half a cup of brown sugar, and then my quarter cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and then just a splash of lemon juice, and then a quarter teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. I'll mix all this together. I'll allow this to simmer for a little while. Now my sauce has come to a good simmer. Here I added my 1/3 cup of water to my corn flour. I'm slowly add this in. I don't want a very weak sauce. We will let this to come to a simmer till it's thickened a little. My sauce is done. I'm just going to remove it from the heat. I cover this, keep it aside. I am now ready to start frying my chicken out. I'm using a non-stick frying pan and I have 1 centimeter of oil heating up. So while that is getting hot, here I have half a cup of flour, to which I'm going to Give a small grain of salt. Then I'm going to sprinkle it over my marinated chicken. Also going to use my hand to coat this very well. I quickly wash my hands and get back. My oil is nice and hot, so I'm ready to fry out my chicken. I'm just going to start turning my chicken, and I'm going to allow this chicken to fry till it's golden brown. My chicken is done, and I'm ready to remove it out of the oil. To the same frying pan that I used to fry out the chicken, I've added 2 tablespoons of the same oil to my frying pan. Here I have my ingredients for my stir fry, which is 1 medium onions cut into thick wedges, 2 small tomatoes also cut into wedges, 3 green chillies, and some lovely fresh pineapple, and also to garnish some spring onions, a grain of salt, a grain of pepper. Now I'm ready to give my onion a soft fry. My onions are quite soft now. Just gonna add in my chilies and my tomatoes. A pineapple. And just a grain of salt. And also a grain of pepper. I will give this a nice stir. I gave this 5 minutes to fry, and then now I'm just going to pour in my chicken to the pan. To this, I'm going to pour in my sauce. I'm going to give this a stir and let it simmer for 2 minutes. I'm going to give this one final stir. I am going to just garnish. To this you can also use broccoli, pepper, or any different type of veg if you want. I'm going to switch my stove off and I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely sweet and sour chicken served with some nice hot rice. This chicken can feed 4 to 6 people. Thank you all very much for watching and enjoy.